On this date, June 3rd, 1967, Harmon Killebrew hit the longest home run ever hit at Met Stadium, 520 feet. Many argue, however, because that was measured from where it was hit to where it landed, the ball would have carried between 15 and 20% more, because when it hits the apex, it doesn't fall straight down. It continues its descent. And many people feel that that would have been well over 600 feet had they estimated it in the proper fashion. This is the bat that Harmon Killebrew hit the longest home run at Met Stadium with. The significance of the pine tar, which is illegal to have this much pine tar in a bat, after he broke the bat, he used it for 27 days. After the bat broke, they used it to stir the pine tar container, thinking there'd be some karma that went off the bat into the pine tar to help everybody else. Thus the pine tar on the famous Harmon Killebrew bat. We have a wonderful big gold glove at Target Field that represents the distance that that ball carried. If you're at the Mall of America, there's a seat up on the wall, so find home plate and look at that seat and you realize that is one heck of a home run.